Wondering how to make her think about you? Are you ready to take your seduction game to the next level? If you're looking to capture her attention and keep her thinking about you nonstop, then you've come to the right place. Mastering the art of seduction is an exhilarating journey that requires a combination of charm, confidence, and a dash of mystery. So in this video we are going to show you how to make a girl think about you all the time. From understanding the power of body language to mastering the art of compliments, we will guide you on a journey to captivate her heart and mind. If you are new here, this channel is all about teaching you social psychology videos. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let's start. Number 1. Being a good listener. One of the most powerful ways to captivate a girl's mind is by being a good listener. Listening is an art that requires patience, attentiveness, and genuine interest. When you truly listen to a girl, you make her feel heard, understood, and valued. To become a good listener, practice active listening. This means giving her your full attention, avoiding distractions, and maintaining eye contact. Show that you are genuinely interested in what she has to say by nodding, asking follow-up questions, and reflecting on her words. Avoid interrupting or dominating the conversation. Instead, give her the space to express herself fully. By being an active listener, you create an environment where she feels comfortable and encouraged to share her thoughts and feelings. Listening also involves being emotionally attuned to her. Pay attention to her body language, tone of voice, and nonverbal cues. This will allow you to understand her emotions and respond accordingly. Show empathy and understanding when she's going through difficult times, and celebrate her joys. By being emotionally present, you create a deep connection that will keep her thinking about you. Number 2. The power of capturing her mind. When you capture a girl's mind, you tap into a realm that is much deeper than physical attraction. It's about creating a mental and emotional connection that goes beyond surface-level interactions. By captivating her mind, you become the person she turns to for stimulating conversations, intellectual challenges, and emotional support. This power lies in your ability to stand out from the crowd and offer her something unique and captivating. To capture her mind, you need to show her that you genuinely care about her thoughts, opinions, and feelings. Make an effort to engage in deep conversations that go beyond small talk. Ask open-ended questions that encourage her to share her perspectives and experiences. Listen attentively and respond thoughtfully, showing that you value her input. By doing so, you'll demonstrate that you are different from the rest and that you have the capacity to understand and connect with her on a deeper level. It's also important to remember that capturing her mind goes hand in hand with capturing her heart. While intellectual stimulation is crucial, you also need to create an emotional bond with her. Show her vulnerability, share your own feelings, and be empathetic towards her emotions. This combination of intellectual and emotional connection will make her think of you nonstop. Number 3. Understanding her psychology. To captivate a girl's mind, it's important to understand the psychology behind what makes her tick. Everyone is unique, but there are certain traits and behaviors that tend to be universally attractive. One key aspect is the need for validation and affirmation. Girls, just like anyone else, want to feel valued, appreciated, and understood. By recognizing and acknowledging her worth, you tap into a deep psychological need that will make her think of you constantly. Another important psychological aspect to consider is the power of curiosity. Humans are naturally curious beings, and when you spark a girl's curiosity, you create an irresistible allure. Keep her guessing, challenge her intellectually, and introduce her to new experiences. By doing so, you create an element of excitement and intrigue that will keep her mind captivated by you. Additionally, it's essential to be aware of the power of positive emotions. When you make a girl feel happy, joyful, and loved, you create a powerful association between those emotions and your presence. She will naturally be drawn to the person who consistently brings positivity into her life. Therefore, be a source of happiness and positivity, and watch as she can't stop thinking about you. Number 4. Building a connection through meaningful conversations. Meaningful conversations are the gateway to capturing a girl's mind. It's not just about talking. It's about truly connecting with her on a deeper level. To do this, you need to go beyond surface-level topics and dive into subjects that evoke passion, curiosity, and vulnerability. Start by asking open-ended questions that allow her to express her thoughts and feelings. Avoid yes or no questions and instead encourage her to share her perspectives and experiences. Show genuine interest in what she has to say and listen attentively. Reflect on her words and respond thoughtfully, showing that you value her input. By engaging in meaningful conversations, you create a bond that goes beyond superficial interactions. It's also important to share your own thoughts and experiences. By being open and vulnerable, you create a safe space for her to do the same. Share your passions, dreams, and fears, and encourage her to do the same. This level of openness and authenticity will bring you closer together and make her think of you even when you're not around. Lastly, don't be afraid to challenge her intellectually. Engage in debates, discuss complex topics, and introduce her to new ideas. By stimulating her mind and offering intellectual challenges, you become a source of growth and excitement. She will be captivated by your ability to expand her horizons and make her think in new and interesting ways. Number 5. Creating an emotional bond. Captivating a girl's mind goes hand in hand with creating an emotional bond. It's not enough to stimulate her intellectually. You also need to make her feel deeply connected to you on an emotional level. Emotional bonds are built on trust, vulnerability, and shared experiences. To create an emotional bond, you need to be open and authentic with her. Share your fears, dreams, and insecurities, and encourage her to do the same. By being vulnerable, you create a safe space for her to open up and trust you. This level of emotional intimacy will make her feel deeply connected to you and constantly thinking about the bond you share. Shared experiences are also crucial in building an emotional bond. Create memories together, whether it's going on adventures, trying new activities, or simply spending quality time together. These shared experiences create a sense of closeness and make her associate positive emotions with you. The more meaningful experiences you create together, the stronger the emotional bond will be. Lastly, be supportive of her emotions and validate her feelings. Show empathy and understanding when she's going through difficult times, and celebrate her successes. By being there for her emotionally, you become a pillar of support and someone she can rely on. This emotional connection will keep her mind captivated by parts of you. Number 6. Showing genuine interest in her life. To captivate her mind, it's crucial to show genuine interest in her life. Ask about her hobbies, passions, and goals, and listen attentively as she shares. Show curiosity and enthusiasm for the things that matter to her. When you take a genuine interest in her life, you make her feel valued and appreciated. It shows that you care about her as an individual and that you're not just interested in surface-level interactions. Remember the details she shares with you and follow up on them in future conversations. This attention to detail will make her feel special and keep her mind occupied with parts of you. Additionally, make an effort to support her goals and dreams. Encourage her to pursue her passions and offer your assistance whenever possible. By being her biggest cheerleader, you become an integral part of her life and someone she can't help but think about. Your genuine interest in her life will create a strong bond that goes beyond superficial attraction. Number 7. Cultivating a sense of mystery and intrigue. Mystery and intrigue are powerful tools in capturing a girl's mind. When you cultivate an air of mystery, you create a sense of anticipation and curiosity that will keep her thinking about you. To create a sense of mystery, don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Keep certain aspects of your life private and allow her to discover them over time. This will create a sense of excitement and intrigue, as she will be eager to uncover the layers of your personality and life story. Another way to cultivate mystery is by maintaining a sense of independence. Don't be available at her every beck and call. Instead, have your own life and interests. By demonstrating that you have a fulfilling life outside of your interactions with her, you become more intriguing and desirable. This sense of independence will captivate her mind and make her constantly wonder about you. Lastly, surprise her every now and then. Plan unexpected dates or outings. Surprise her with small gestures of affection, or introduce her to new experiences. By keeping her on her toes, you create a sense of excitement and spontaneity. This element of surprise will make her think of you nonstop and eagerly anticipate your next move. Number 8. Making her feel special and valued. To captivate a girl's mind, it's essential to make her feel special and valued. Everyone wants to feel appreciated and loved, and when you consistently make her feel this way, she will be unable to stop thinking about you. There are many ways to make her feel special. Pay attention to the little details and surprise her with thoughtful gestures. It could be as simple as bringing her favorite coffee on a rainy day or planning a surprise date based on something she mentioned in passing. These small acts of kindness show that you pay attention to her and genuinely care about her happiness. Additionally, make an effort to compliment her sincerely. Be specific in your compliments, highlighting the qualities that you genuinely admire. This will make her feel seen and appreciated for who she truly is. Avoid generic compliments and instead focus on what makes her unique and special. Lastly, prioritize quality time together. Show her that she is important to you by dedicating your undivided attention to her. Put away your phone, avoid distractions, and truly be present in the moment. By making her feel like the center of your world, you create a sense of importance and value that will make her think of you constantly. Number 9. Building anticipation and excitement. Anticipation and excitement are key ingredients in capturing a girl's mind. By building anticipation, you create a sense of longing and desire that will keep her thinking about you. One way to build anticipation is by planning exciting and memorable dates. Surprise her with unique experiences, take her to new places, and create memories that she will cherish. By introducing novelty and excitement into her life, you become associated with positive emotions and an exhilarating sense of adventure. Another way to build anticipation is by leaving her wanting more. Don't reveal everything about yourself or your plans right away. Keep her guessing and create a sense of intrigue. This will make her eagerly anticipate your next interaction and constantly think about you. Additionally, don't be too available. While it's important to show genuine interest in her life, it's equally important to maintain a sense of independence. Don't always be at her beck and call. Instead, have your own life and interests. By maintaining a sense of mystery and independence, you create a longing for your presence and make her think of you even when you're not around.